yetu, lazima factory ya Mumia Sugar Company ifanye kazi.
Dwaroni tie mondo omedi kwan apisas makonye manyo ji e bungu ma Shakahola kalore koda lach mar bunguno. Komiti ma Senate mabende nochuog mondo non chenro mag ute lamo wacho ni ji 130 kende okoromo e yoro bunguno kabende lwasi magitie en mabuogo chuny. Jokanyo ma komiti no notimo limbe e alwora ma Shakahola kawuono kagikwayo piny owacho mondo otiego bila malango baya mondo gibeda kicha ne timbe mamono machalo kod mosekelo midhiero Shakahola. Komiti no bende osingo marwako pach jopiny e weche mag nono chenro mag ute lamo mapachoka.
I've also visited a mass grave that we have reliably been informed was carrying about 67 people who have been exhumed, and that particular place was called Bethlehem. So we have been able to visit Bethlehem, which had a mass grave, and we were able to visit Galilea, which was the place where Mr. Mackenzie was having his headquarters.
And I think that it will be important that if there could be more additional rescue teams that could also be able to improve and help this team that is very dedicated and is working here very well.
We are happy to know they also have a counseling team. The biggest request that is also needed that we've noted is an immediate setup of the police station.
Tudregi mano eni komanda maro bila e county